Tired of raising your wrist and only getting Bixby? Let's ditch the old and embrace the new by installing Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch. First, on your Galaxy Watch, navigate to the Google Play Store application. It's that colorful triangle icon you're already familiar with. Tap on it to open the store. Once the Play Store loads, tap on the search bar located at the top of the screen. This will bring up the on-screen keyboard. Now, carefully type in Google Assistant using the on-screen keyboard. Accuracy is key here, so double-check your spelling. After typing, hit the search button. Locate the official Google Assistant app in the search results. Look for the one published by Google. Tap on the Google Assistant app listing and you'll be taken to the installation screen. Now, tap the install button to begin downloading and installing the app on your Galaxy Watch. Once the installation is complete, find the Google Assistant icon in your app drawer on your Galaxy Watch and tap it to open the application. The Google Assistant app will prompt you to connect to your Google account. Follow the on-screen instructions and prompts on both your watch and your paired smartphone to complete the setup process. This will require granting necessary permissions. And that's it. You've successfully installed Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch. Now you can control your smart home devices, ask questions, set reminders, and much more, all with just your voice. Start exploring its features and enjoy the convenience of having Google Assistant right on your wrist. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.